how to increase Telegram download speed. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Telegram app. The next thing that we need to do right here is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines, which is right here. And then once you're now there, just click the settings icon. In this part, what we're going to do is to just scroll down until you see data and storage. So click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click on storage usage right here. And then in this part, we're going to click clear cache. After that, click clear cache again. And then once it is done, we're going to go back into this part. And then in this part under the automatic media download, make sure that you enable when using mobile data and then when connected to Wi-Fi. After that, once you enable it, what we're going to do is to click on mobile data and then make sure that the data usage is set to high and then go back right here and then go here into the Wi-Fi and then make sure that it is also set to high. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go here again on the homepage of Telegram and then click the search bar right here on the upper right corner of the screen and then search for file to links bot and then click this one right here. So in this part, what we're going to do is to just type /start, which is right here. What we're going to do right here is to just go into one of your conversation where the video is sent. And then let's say, for example, that you want to download this. So what we're going to do is to forward this into the bot. So we're going to click on that and then click send right there. After that, once you send it, just click the three horizontal lines right here and then just click save to downloads. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to increase Telegram download speed.